The components of a 16 megawatts offshore wind turbine, the largest of its kind in the world so far, are being loaded onto a ship in the Jiangyin County-level City in East China's Fujian province on Saturday, as part of the country's efforts to accelerate green transition. With a propeller diameter of 252 meters, the wind turbine covers a swept area of 50,000 square meters, equivalent to 7 standard soccer fields. At full wind speed, it can generate 34.2 kilowatt-hours of power after rotating a full turn, and its annual output, which is estimated to average over 66 million kilowatt-hours, can meet the demand of 36,000 households, save 22,000 tons of standard coal, and reduce 54,000 tons of carbon dioxide emission. The final preparations for the installation of the turbine have been completed.